If you use your fireplace on a regular basis and haven't scheduled a professional sweep and inspection in a while, your chimney may contain high volumes of creosote. This flammable substance is the main reason why we always recommend that you have your chimney swept and inspected on a regular basis. However, you may be wondering, can I just burn away the creosote inside my chimney? In this video, we'll be discussing the dangers of attempting to burn away creosote buildup inside your chimney. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the Alpha and Omega YouTube channel for more chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent related content. If you find this video helpful, be sure to click the like button and leave us a comment below. Creosote is a dark brown or black substance that forms on the walls of your chimney when wood smoke cools off and hardens. Creosote buildup can be a sign that your chimney isn't working properly or has been used frequently without proper cleaning and could lead to smoke exposure and fire damage inside your home. Creosote is a highly flammable substance that should always be swept away by a professional chimney sweep, not a task for the everyday homeowner. Despite what you may have heard online, it is not a wise decision to attempt to burn away creosote buildup inside of your fireplace or chimney. While certain chimneys are built to handle creosote better than others, it may be difficult to determine which degree of creosote you have building up inside of your chimney. There are 3 different degrees of creosote. 3rd degree creosote is the most dangerous and difficult to remove. 3rd degree creosote is also known as glazed creosote and looks like a thick layer of hardened tar running down the interior walls of your chimney. Due to its thickness, it's extremely difficult to remove and can catch fire at lower temperatures. Special equipment and chemical treatment is often required to remove it. In extreme cases, a full replacement of your chimney liner may also be necessary. To the untrained eye, it may be difficult to determine which degree of creosote you have building up inside of your chimney. This is why we recommend having your chimney and fireplace professionally swept and inspected on an annual basis. Now that you know why you should never attempt to burn away creosote inside of your chimney, it's time to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega today. Alpha and Omega is Michigan's #1 chimney, fireplace, and dryer vent service provider, having served homeowners since 1997. Our team of industry-leading professionals are here to help you preserve the health and safety of your home by providing you with the services you need to keep your fire burning, keep your fireplace looking amazing, and most importantly, keep your home operating safely and efficiently. Call or click today to schedule your appointment with Alpha and Omega. Stay tuned for more Alpha and Omega content, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.